In this video we will see how to upload and change NGO logo into the application. You can upload a logo from dashboard, click on the button Add Logo, or from select NGO page, click on the button Upload Logo. Simply click on Upload Logo and add image from your computer. It will be upload automatically and can seen in the dashboard after NGO name. If you want to change the logo, simply click on Change Logo button. If you want to delete it, can be done, click on Delete button.